here we are again. Got my glasses. Because I'm an idiot. Anyway, I need another intro and last intro. I made a big mistake. It sucked. Just sucked. So we've got to make up for that. This one's going to be a long one. So we've got a couple of things to cover. We didn't get the clutch out yet. So that's a problem for us. We've still got to do that. And then you probably noticed we probably should have been a bit more careful with all that clutch dust and stuff. We probably breathed in a bit too much of that. So this one's sort of where it starts to get good. So it's happening. It's happening now. We said we weren't going to rip it no more. But one more time. We just got to gently rip it.
What to believe in, when to believe so. When to not to deceive in, we don't take control. Believe what you feel, what you see, but you don't really know. Believe what you want, but don't deceive in, you won't take control. As if I need to turn on that TV, I don't even need to know the reasons. Life's not meant to be misinformed and confused. Know the line, real time. Learn how to toe the line. Vicious lies, learning to realize you've been sold. Your mind is now in their control.
It's been a day, that's for sure. Where did we leave off? Bloody stupid. Get in a couple of special episodes too. A couple of specials. Is that right? So we're gonna have a couple of special episodes too. A couple of special editions. Why do you think it is that recording? Yeah. No, it is. Man. Just another quick recap. Talk about how I actually got it. Come off it. Man. Buttons on the phone, your fingers, putting them in the way. Yeah, some nice bits of shite in here. There's some I prepared earlier. It's hard. It's new metal. It's just, yeah. Chunks in here, look at that. Ain't finished yet. That came out pretty good. I just kind of had to jiggle and fiddle. Oh, that's not going to be fun to get that back in though. That's going to be a hell of a job by myself anyway. Hopefully I can get old Cliff come around and give me a hand with that one. So I can have someone there just to lift and push and adjust and all the stuff we needed to do. The strap worked well as an extra bit of a thing. I ended up just hanging by that, and I just ended up lowering it down. I took that engine mount out, just hooked that onto that and extended that all the way down, then just unhooked it, and it's not too heavy really. Like I can pick it up and carry it, so I could probably pick it up and put it on the bench. So you can stay there for now. Like I said, tomorrow's a new day and we're starting where we want to start. Yo biote. Happy days. So we've had some swearing and carrying on today. Let's investigate this engine mount actually, because that was a right swear word beep. thing. Come on, you got 15 lights here. Let's find one. Yeah. Yeah, we made a mess of that. That's a bit striped. But in saying that, it should be a lot easier to get out here. And if we need to, we can force her out. Hopefully I didn't damage anything on the way out. I did notice it rested. I got stuck on one of those at one point. The lever changes, but I didn't do any damage. Bumped one and it moved. Hopefully that doesn't hurt it. It's only, they move anyway. Just got no oil in it at the moment, so there'd be some in there. Some leaked out the front when I did that in here, so hopefully that's not a rear main seal. We'll probably pull the flywheel out and check that just to make sure, because that's one thing we will fix is the oil leaks. But yeah, that I've got to get my terminology right. Pretty sure that the pressure's a plate, and we'll see what the springs look like down in there later. I'm going to give a gander in there because I can't see. Getting through that. But yeah, it looks like it's got all sorts of. I'm just going to. I don't even know what this is. I've never done this before, so I'm sure someone watching this will be like, oh, that's your clutch, that's what I think it is. Alright, so back in the workshop. Gearbox is out on the floor still, it's good. Wasn't a dream. She is out. I'll get all this stuff out of the way. I'm going to get in there in a second and pull that out. I had a quick squeeze at this. Had a quick crack at this bolt. And it's just stripped and wrecked. So we're just going to do the right thing. And just leave it in there. But she's tight. It doesn't need to come out. Came out with it on there, so I can go back in there with it on there. And hello Zowdy, checking her out. Does it meet your standards? So really we just got to clean this up as best we can now that it's outside. Get the brush right in there and scrub her up. We've got to clean out this bell housing because it's just full of clutch, I think, grease and stuff. Pulled this out quickly to have a squeeze at it. The bearing is just rooted. The arm doesn't look damaged or anything like that, so that's good. We can clean all that up. So yeah, I'll go and grab my tool and we'll see what the next adventure entails. We'll get the jack underneath that engine just to hold her there in place. And yeah. Another 2 nights till the weekend, and then hopefully by the weekend we're putting her all back together and yeah, driving her. Yo beauty. Easy peasy. Wow, haven't done anything easy for a while. I don't think that's too bad. I think that'll clean up. Slip there, but it's sticking out, not in, so. Don't see any scorch marks too much or anything. Like, she's just there, you know. So it's pretty good. To get it out, I just put old Jimmy in here just to stop the crank turning while I was trying to crack on those bolts, which worked. That's good. So the clutch wasn't moving when I was trying to pull it out. Downy. And the clutch itself, well, there's not much of it left really. If we lift that off the tool there, flip it over. Woo! There's a little bit left there, look. She's still good. She's still good. There we go, look at that. So that's obviously what was contents of my bell housing was. This clutch. All jammed in here too. Yeah, that's heaps good. Awesome. Brand new. That's just brand new. I'm getting close and have a look at these gouges out here from that throwout bearing. It's just like lipped. You can see like a massive groove in there, all the way around. That's, I haven't really got a depth gauge or anything to measure it in, but that's There's chunk, nice even chunk all around that. Just gone. And clutch in there everywhere. So let's just set it all back together the way it came apart. So I don't fuck anything up when I go to do the new one. Goes in that way. Like a moi. Yeah, that's good. She out. He's like, I'm pretty sure it's a factory clutch, but it does look like someone had a crack at these bolts in the past. They look alright, but we should reuse those. I don't think they get new ones in the kit. I did notice that I get some of these clips in the kit. There's also like a little tiny bearing in here somewhere. This should just clip out. Pull it off the clip. Come on now. There we go. I did see some little clips in there. I don't know what the little bearing was that I got in the kit. It's got a little sleeve on it there. It goes in that way. Sit that there. Feels smooth enough. It's probably only neutral, but get the grease points there. The kit came with a little bit of grease, which is good. I thought I might have to buy some special grease, but that's all in there. What do you reckon, Zodi? We good? Poor old girl. I guess now it's just a big clean-up mission, eh? Just clean and clean and clean. Clean that shit out there. Clean this flywheel up. I'm pretty sure I've got some brake cleaner somewhere. But I don't know if I'll find that. So, I don't know. Next step, I guess next time we're looking at it, we're probably looking at some cleanliness, I think. Just, I'm happy the parts are all set out properly. We can just clean them up as we go. Even if we're only cleaning them as they go back in. Once the engine's locked back in, but I'm going to get in the back. I might juice it first, but just like you can see splats of water and just dirt in there. I just going to with a jet spray, I think. Give her a jet blast down to the back there because I can't really get in there much, so I just clean as much out as I can. Once I've got the hoist, we'll lift her up and clean her up underneath as well. So we'll still be working on it even once we get this clutch done. Notice this little sticker here. Belt's due for replacement at 150,000 Ks. I don't reckon that got done, eh? Out. We're at 240 now, so they are done. I'd say though that's had new belts prior to this because they don't look too bad really. Not like belts that needed to be replaced at 150,000 Ks anyway. So that was good. Breathes better, performs better. Mission control scene. Look at all the nice stickers and stuff. I don't know what that one was. That one's gone. Compliance plate and stuff. So there, legit. What do we got here? Let's have a look. Important. Toyota long life coolant. I reckon we'll just go with the. I decided against using the coolant I've got actually because it's good stuff and good stuff goes into good cars and this can just get some fucking cheap shit. They'll be fine. She'll love it. She'll love it. It's better than that rusty crap that was in it for sure. And that'll do us. Paintwork. Just, it's great.